Ever split a dinner bill with friends and gotten stuck with the "I forgot my wallet" routine? Or maybe you're a freelancer waiting on that promised payment for your latest project. In today's digital age, the age-old question of "how do I get paid" often leads to a single answer: Venmo. But for those new to the Venmo game, receiving money can feel shrouded in a bit of mystery. Fear not, fellow financially curious friend. This video will be your one-stop guide to cracking the code of Venmo transactions and becoming a receiving pro. So, how exactly do you get that sweet Venmo money landing in your account? There are actually two main ways: getting sent money directly and requesting it. Let's break down both methods. Method 1. Becoming a Venmo payment magnet. Imagine this: you just finished helping your friend move apartments, back sore but spirits high. They whip out their phone, open the Venmo app, and what happens next? This is where your Venmo magic comes in. There are 3 ways someone can find you on Venmo to send you a payment. Username: this is your unique Venmo ID, kind of like your online alias in the Venmo world. Share this username with your friend, and they can easily search for you within the app. Phone number or email: if usernames aren't your thing, you can also link your phone number or email address to your Venmo account. This allows people to find you by searching for those linked details. QR code: feeling fancy? Venmo offers a unique QR code that acts like a digital fingerprint. Your friend can scan this code with their phone's camera, and it will automatically populate your information in the Venmo send money screen. Once your friend finds you using any of these methods, they simply enter the amount they want to send, add a quick note, like "thanks for the moving help," and hit that glorious pay button. But wait! There's more. Before the money magically appears in your Venmo account, you'll usually get a notification. This notification lets you review the payment details and accept it. Don't worry, accepting is a simple tap away, and the funds will be instantly deposited into your Venmo balance. Method 2. The art of the Venmo request. Now, let's say you're the one who needs to get paid. Maybe you tutored your neighbor's kid in math, or you sold a vintage lamp online. In these cases, you can take the initiative and request the money directly through Venmo. Here's how it works: open the Venmo app and navigate to the beautiful button labeled Pay or Request. This button unlocks the power to both send and receive money. Since we're focusing on receiving today, tap on Request. Now, you'll be presented with a search bar. Type in the name of the person who owes you money. Once you find them, tap on their profile. Here's your chance to shine. Enter the amount you're owed, and don't forget to add a clear and concise note. For example, if you were tutoring little Timmy, your note could say "Math Tutoring Session, July 8, 24. This helps the other person remember exactly what the payment is for. Once you've filled out all the details, hit that glorious request button again. The magic of Venmo then sends your friend a notification letting them know you've requested money. They can then review the request, enter their PIN, security code, and approve the payment. Just like with receiving a direct payment, you'll get a notification once your friend approves the request, and the money will be deposited into your Venmo balance. Important things to remember before you Venmo. While Venmo is a fantastic tool for splitting bills and sending quick payments, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees: sending money from your Venmo balance or linked bank account is free. However, there's a 3% fee for using a credit card to send money. So, unless you're in a real pinch, it's best to avoid credit card transactions. Transfers: the money sits in your Venmo balance until you transfer it to your bank account. Transfers can be instant, for a small fee, or take 1 to 3 business days, free of charge. Public versus private: be mindful of your privacy settings. Transactions can be public by default, so you might want to adjust those settings if you're not comfortable sharing details about your transactions with everyone.